Hello everyone, this is the continuation of active passive voice which I was telling you in my previous video. This is the A sentence. He has given up all his bad habits. Here the subject is he has given up all his bad habits. Here all his bad habits becomes your object. So you have to replace all his bad habits in place of subject. So your answer becomes all his bad habits have been given up by him. Here you have seen all his bad habits. ये plural है. This is plural. Therefore I have taken have. Agreement of verb with your subject. And given is already in third form because this is a perfect sentence. It is present perfect, has given up. So tense will not change. In passive voice also it becomes have been given up, verb in third form. So this becomes your answer. The next sentence is he has given up smoking, the same way. So here he is your subject and he has given up what? Smoking becomes your object because this is the answer of what. So it becomes smoking has been given up by him. Here smoking is a singular subject, therefore I have used has, again according to your agreement of your verb with your subject. Perfect, present perfect sentence is there. In passive also it remains present perfect. He is changed accordingly to him. Smoking has been given up by him. Next sentence is I shall have finished my book. I becomes your, I is your subject and I shall have finished what? It will be my book. So the sentence will change to passive as follows. My book will have been finished by me. So I shall have finished my book. Future perfect. It becomes again future perfect. It is usually written in your books that shall changes to will according to the intention of the sentence. It could even be shall if you prefer the sentence to be intended so. My book will have been finished by me. So object becomes the subject, tense has not changed and your I has been accordingly changed to me. Next sentence is he kept me waiting. This is he kept me waiting. In this sentence you see this is your past indefinite, kept is your past indefinite. तो keep, kept and kept, ये वाला kept past indefinite है और ये verb in third form है. टेंस नहीं बदला है, यहाँ पे पास्ट इंडेफिनेट है इसलिए हमने वॉज को यूज़ किया. आई वॉज, मी हैज़ चेंज टू आई वॉज केप्ट वेटिंग बाय हिम. सो अकॉर्डिंगली टेंस हैज़ नॉट चेंज, वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म इज यूज्ड एंड सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट हैव चेंज देयर प्लेस. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस ही टोल्ड मी टू लीव द रूम. देखिए आई वॉज टोल्ड, he told me to leave the room. Told है verb past indefinite का. So in your passive also you are not going to change your tense. Therefore it becomes I was told by him. इतना ही सेंटेंस है. एक बार और मैंने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया कि सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में ही एक्टिव पैसिव कन्वर्जन होता है. सो ही टोल्ड मी, इसका पैसिव बनेगा आई वॉज टोल्ड बाय हिम, फिनिश्ड. इसके अलावा जितना कुछ भी लिखा है ये एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स हैं. You have to copy them as it is. To leave the room, to leave the room. As it is, it is copied over here. So the answer becomes I was told by him what? The extra words are to leave the room. So this becomes your answer. Next is the principal is watching you very carefully. This is a sentence is the sentence is present continuous. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस का सेंटेंस है एक्टिव वॉइस में, तो आपको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस पैसिव में भी रखना ही है. कैसे रखेंगे? द प्रिंसिपल इज़ वॉचिंग यू, ये मेन आपका सेंटेंस है. प्रिंसिपल आपका सब्जेक्ट है, यू आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है. जो एक्टिव पैसिव कन्वर्जन है इतने ही बीच में होगा. दैट मीन्स व्हेन यू हैव चेंज इट बिकम्स यू आर बीइंग वॉच्ड बाय द प्रिंसिपल. बात ख़त्म. वेरी केयरफुली एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स है, उसको एज इट इज़ आपने बाद में लिख देना है. सो यू आर बीइंग, जब वॉचिंग है कंटिन्यूस है, आईएनजी पैसिव वॉइस में BEING से रिप्लेस होता है. और वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगानी है तो वॉच का वॉच्ड हो जाएगा. वॉच, वॉच्ड एंड वॉच्ड. So you are being watched by the principal very carefully. This becomes your passive. This is today's last sentence. You promised me a present. Promised is your past indefinite. Accordingly, you are going to change. आपका जो main है, subject है you, object है me. So accordingly, you are changing. I was promised a present by you. Me has changed to I. You पीछे चला गया. टेंस बदला नहीं है. promised है तो was, और promised जो पैसिव में लिखा है वो verb की थर्ड फॉर्म है. So I was promised. Here this is verb in third form. What? A present by you. So this is your completion of one exercise which a student wanted to ask about the answers. I hope this is going to help you in your active passive understanding. Keep learning. God bless you all.